Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to another second part of today's Bitcoin update. And it's very important to pay attention to every single thing of the detailed that is given us on the chart. So basically what I'm trying to say here is, before I dive into what I'm about to talk about, let's talk about what I was talking about in the earlier updates as well. So here we are. Do know that they're meant to predict the outcome, maybe to go to the upside or go. All right, so we do have a decisive doji, and this decisive doji, we do know that they're meant to predict the outcome, maybe to go to the upside or go to the downside, right? My take is that it actually goes to the upside and not really go to the downside, but it's still a. All right, so I'm gonna be catching myself red-handed saying that I was expecting it to go to the upside, but then again, that was my expectation, okay? But it all goes on to what the market makers want to do, okay? The whales out there, the people who control Bitcoin. So what did they do? I told you, it's a decisive candle to go to the upside or go to the downside. So it's very simple. Let's do a quick Google and let's talk about the Doji. So Doji candlestick is here. Is Doji a bullish or bearish? And you can already see that they have a question. So Doji is a bearish pattern, not the gravestone Doji, but a normal Doji, by the way. It actually, I'm just going to tell you because I already know this one. It just tells you any direction can be taken on. And the best scenario for this one could have been that Bitcoin actually crosses 32,428 and then go to the upside. Now, I do see a very similar scenario happening before. Now, this was a falling wedge, by the way, a falling wedge like this. You broke out of it and you met the technical target like a boss. Amazing. The case is closed, okay? The target is met. We didn't go to the 55 EMA as I was expecting, and the Doji happened, and now we're coming down, and what we're doing is we're putting in something known as a potential, bullish bottom ladder, bearish bottom ladder. I'm just gonna tell this one, bearish bottom ladder, I guess, something like this. There's this name, ladder bottom or top, whatever this is. I'm just going to show you, okay? So it looks something very similar to this, okay? Something very similar to this one, where you have the three black rows, you make this candlestick, and then you make a big whooping red candle. This is the same thing. You make the three white soldiers, three white soldiers, and then you make that doji, and then you make a big red candle, and that potentially could mean a downtrend could be upon us. Now, what is going on here? I'm going to show you another image right over there, and this is what it looks like, okay? Pretty much this one is almost same as this one, okay? Almost same. But anyway, there's one more thing which you're putting in, and that is known as evening star, okay? So this is going to be an important level, $32,800. So let's go here and let's talk about the evening star. Boom. The spelling is wrong, but I'm just going to show you here. Evening star doji, right? Green candle, red candle, and then boom, the downtrend continues to the downside. Green candle, red candle, in the middle you have a doji. Perfect looking evening star, okay? This is a perfect one, and the direction is go to the downside. The only way to invalidate this pattern is going to be that you cross the highest part of it, 32,300, and then boom, you go to the upside, okay? So that's it for the second part update of a very quick update once again. And I just closed my trade ever since we started moving to the downside, and losing 31,200 was not a good sign, by the way. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.